summer special offer. Get a free diagnostic of your central air conditioning system with MV Kiser. Family owned and operated, licensed heating and air conditioning company established in 1945. That's available 24/7. To redeem this offer, give us a call, 214-823-9958. And our HVAC experts will visit your home and perform diagnostic services on your air conditioning system. If you approve the repair or replacement with us, we will waive the diagnostic fee of $89 in value. Be wiser. Call Kiser for all your HVAC needs.